to steam. This is one of my favorite experiments. All you need is vinegar, and I'm not going to tell you what's in these bottles. See if you can figure it out. They're different. They both look the same. They're clear. And what we're going to do with this baking soda is, since I have such a big bag, first I just put it in the cup so I can reach it. And if there's a lot of bumps in it, just squeeze them, squish them so it's all smooth. And for this experiment, you need to put some baking soda in a balloon. I like to use a funnel. I hope you have a funnel somewhere around. If you don't, you can just roll up a piece of paper and put it in your balloon. But a funnel is easier. So I have measured, I'm going to do 1 tablespoon into this red balloon of baking soda. Kind of have to shake it down. Okay, that is not quite 1 tablespoon. Here we go. All right, there it is. That's how you get it in. Now, for this experiment, I'm going to use these that I already made. There's 1 tablespoon in each one. Okay, and I'm going to put it on top of the water bottle. It's easiest if you have somebody hold the water bottle while you stretch it over. And this is bottle number 1. This is bottle number 2. I'm going to kind of get down low here so I can watch really well. I'm going to lift these up, and when I lift them up, what's going to happen to the baking soda? What do you think will happen? Okay, let's see. And remember, it's different. It's a different solution in each bottle. Oh, it's falling down in. That is so cool. Oh, look at this one. My goodness. Oh, I even have to hold it. Oh, if you feel it too. Feel the temperature. Oh. Whoa. Well, those were very different, weren't they? Let's have a guess. Turn to someone and say, well, my prediction, I think that, what do you think was in here? And what liquid do you think was in this bottle? And I can show you. The one on the right was vinegar. Vinegar. When vinegar reacts with baking soda, it makes a chemical reaction and creates this gas that filled up the balloon. This one was just plain old water, and all it did was make soggy baking soda. That one wasn't as cool. Now, once you do this, what's really fun though, you're not done yet. You can turn it upside down, put your hand on the bottom, and you actually feel the temperature. And when I see you next time, shake it around like this. Tell me if it feels colder or warmer. I didn't learn about this until I was an adult. And now, if you'd like, you can hold it up and have it go back into the bottle. It sounds like rain. Isn't that a great experiment? Ooh, and it's still getting a little larger. Now let's change one thing. That's called changing a variable. These balloons had 1 tablespoon of baking soda in. Let's do one more, and this time, let's put in a balloon that has 2 tablespoons of baking soda, the same amount of vinegar. What do you think will happen? Think it'll be the same or different? Bigger, smaller? I don't know. Let's put it on. Now this is a little tricky. Just stretch it over. And same thing, you just lift it up. 2 tablespoons this time. See, is it a little faster? I don't know. I think it's about... I think for this size of bottle, it's about the same. I think it almost kind of plugs up the narrow opening there. Oh, well, maybe it'll keep going. We don't know yet. Yes! Would you say it's a little bit bigger? So that was 2 tablespoons. This one was, 2 tablespoons, 1 to 2. And then remember, you can turn upside down and shake it. Okay, now I wanted to try one more. I have a really big water bottle. And this time we'll use the same, we're just going to change one thing. When you do experiments, you just change one thing, one variable. So now we'll still have 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and I think we need a little more vinegar though. We'll have the same amount of vinegar. So the only thing we changed is called the variable because we varied it. So the only thing we changed was a bigger bottle. Now we're gonna have room for more air. More room for this to chemically react. I don't know if it'll be the same or different. That's what's so fun. And up it goes. Whoa! The air has a little bit more room to bubble up. See a little more bubbling, however, I don't know, the balloon looks about the same size. Interesting. So have fun at home with this vinegar and baking soda. They go together. They're fun to experiment with. You could even pour them outside into you could make a little mound like a volcano. Put a cup in it, pour some vinegar, then put in baking soda. Any way you combine them, you get this chemical reaction. Have fun with that. Love it. Bye-bye.